Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. What if your research papers could talk to you? Imagine uploading 50 PDFs, and instead of spending hours searching through pages, an AI instantly tells you the key arguments, important quotes, research gaps, methodology differences, and even creates study notes for you. Sounds crazy? Well, Google's NotebookLM is doing exactly that. And for research students, this might be one of the most useful AI tools released in years. In this video, I'll show you exactly how students, thesis writers, MPhil scholars, and PhD researchers are using NotebookLM to save time, organize research, and study smarter. I'll also show real examples, practical workflows, and one feature near the end that completely changes academic research. So stay with me. Let's start with reality. Every research student eventually hits the same wall. You download journal articles, thesis PDFs, conference papers, web sources, interview notes, lecture slides, and after a few weeks, everything becomes a mess. You forget which paper had the useful quote, where you read that important statistic, which methodology belonged to which author. So instead of learning, you spend most of your time searching. And that's where NotebookLM changes everything. NotebookLM is Google's AI-powered research assistant. But here's the important difference. It doesn't search the entire internet randomly. Instead, you upload your own sources. For example, PDFs, research papers, Google Docs, YouTube lectures, audio recordings, web articles. Then the AI studies only those materials. So the answers stay focused on your research. That means fewer hallucinations and more reliable summaries. Think of it like hiring an AI research assistant trained only on your study material. Let me show you a real student example. Imagine a psychology student researching effects of social media on student mental health. Normally, the student might read 30 research papers manually, but with NotebookLM, they upload all 30 PDFs into one notebook. Now, they can ask example questions. Which studies reported negative effects? What methodologies were most commonly used? Find papers discussing anxiety among teenagers. Compare conclusions from 2021 and 2024 studies. Instead of spending hours searching manually, NotebookLM pulls answers directly from the uploaded research. And the best part? It even shows citations from the original source. That's a huge time saver for literature reviews. Now, imagine exam preparation. A medical student uploads lecture slides, anatomy notes, textbook chapters, recorded lectures. Then asks, create simplified study notes for cardiovascular diseases. NotebookLM turns hundreds of pages into easy summaries. You can also ask, explain this in simple language. Create bullet point revision notes. Generate possible Viva questions. Make flashcards from these chapters. It's like having a personal tutor available 24/7. This feature honestly feels futuristic. NotebookLM can generate podcast-style audio discussions from your research material. So instead of reading a 40-page paper, you can listen to an AI conversation summarizing it. Example, a law student uploads constitutional law notes. NotebookLM creates an audio overview discussing major legal arguments, important cases, constitutional principles. Now the student can revise while driving, walking, exercising, or traveling. This turns passive time into productive study time.
Usually when we see a teenager, just staring silently at a smartphone, we have this immediate kind of reflexive assumption.
Oh, absolutely we do.
It's like looking at a locked door. We see the glowing screen, the hunched shoulders, and we just assume they are completely shutting the world out.
Right, totally disconnected from reality.
Exactly. But what if that glowing screen isn't a locked door at all? What if it's actually like a training ground for real-world social skills?
Which is a very hard concept for a lot of people to swallow, I think.
Research students often struggle connecting ideas. NotebookLM solves this with AI-generated mind maps. Example, a biology student researching climate change uploads multiple sources. NotebookLM automatically creates connections between rising temperatures, ecosystem changes, marine life effects, carbon emissions. Now, instead of isolated information, students visually understand relationships between concepts. And now, the newest update allows custom mind maps. You can say, focus only on causes, show arguments for and against, map only Chapter 3. This makes complex topics easier to understand. This is one of my favorite upgrades. NotebookLM now works fully across mobile and desktop. Example, a student reads research on their laptop during the day. Later at night, they open their phone and continue exactly where they stopped. Everything syncs. Notes, chats, summaries, flashcards, mind maps. This matters because students study in small moments throughout the day. Now your entire research system lives in your pocket. Thesis writing. Imagine uploading your proposal, supervisor feedback, previous studies, interview transcripts, survey data, journal papers. Now, NotebookLM becomes your thesis assistant. You can ask, example prompts. Find research gaps in these studies. Summarize all qualitative methodologies. Compare author conclusions. Generate a chapter outline. Extract all references related to motivation theory. Instead of drowning in documents, everything becomes searchable instantly. This is where research productivity increases massively. Now, here's the feature most students are sleeping on. NotebookLM now connects with Gemini. This means your research material follows you across Google's AI ecosystem. Example, you upload research papers once. Inside NotebookLM, you study deeply, create summaries, generate mind maps. Then, inside Gemini, you draft emails, brainstorm thesis titles, create presentation outlines, rewrite paragraphs. Same knowledge base, no re-uploading. This is becoming a complete AI research workspace. The students getting ahead today are not necessarily the smartest. They're the ones learning how to use AI tools effectively. NotebookLM doesn't replace studying. It removes the boring parts: searching, organizing, rereading, and managing files. So you can spend more time actually understanding ideas. And honestly, that's where real learning happens. If you're a research student, thesis writer, or someone constantly overwhelmed with information, NotebookLM is probably one of the best free AI tools you can start using right now. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more practical AI tools, research workflows, and productivity tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.